The days when phones were used only to place and receive calls are long gone, and these gadgets have become the primary source of entertainment for many users now. When you use your smartphones to watch movies, stream videos off the net, take and edit photos, listen to music, and play games through the day, it's natural that phone manufacturers focus on these aspects of this ubiquitous device. Some smartphones tend to serve your entertainment needs better than others, and our product today does it better than most of its rivals in its price category. Let's take a closer look at the 4th generation Moto G Play.
Here we go!
For a good entertainment-focused phone, you need tremendous strength and speed, which comes to the Moto G Play from its powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 processor with a quad-core CPU and 2GB of memory. This lets you switch back and forth between apps easily, allowing you to immerse yourself in videos and games. You can also add up to 128GB of additional storage with a microSD card. The all-day 2800 mAh battery also lets you indulge yourself through the day without having to worry about the phone running out of juice. Adding to the speed is the super-fast 4G capability, so you can get the good stuff faster, stream videos and music smoothly without any annoying stops and starts, and browse the web without waiting for pages to load. A pure, clutter-free version of Android also helps boost performance and lets you enjoy the vast selection of apps from Google's Play Store in a better manner. Your videos and photos also look great with the phone's bright 5-inch HD 720p display. To satisfy your inner photographer, you have the 8-megapixel rear camera. Shoot crystal clear photos with the fast f/2.2 aperture and a camera sensor that uses larger than average pixels. For stunning selfies, you have the 5-megapixel camera in front. Moto G Play even captures video at 30 frames per second in 1080p. To add to these set of useful features, this smartphone comes to you unlocked and carrier-friendly. It works with all major carrier networks, domestically or abroad, giving you the freedom to choose the most cost-friendly option. Let's see if the Moto G Play has lived up to its promise with its users. A high rating of 3.9 on 5 from over 1,800 customers shows that it sure has. Its comfortable design, the reasonable pricing, and the speed have all won it great reviews. Users also seem impressed with its waterproofing, which makes it a safe gadget to use beside the pool or on the beach. Looks like a winner from Motorola. That's all we have for now on the 4th generation Moto G Play smartphone. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other smartphone reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.